Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we've got Sam's Mark 1 Golf on the dyno to get it ready for VW action. So let's take a look. Sam there, I think he's fallen asleep. You fallen asleep, Sam?
Yeah. I'm fat and need rest.
Been in Bosnia too long.
Too many lamps.
So we'll get the car strapped down and we'll get some runs done. We decided to run the car in 4th gear because we topped out in 5th gear on the dyno at 199 miles an hour, and we didn't think that was too much of a good idea on these road tyres that we got on at the moment. So yeah, back in 4th gear. How fast is that going 4th? We'll have a look. I'll put it up on the screen in a minute, what it tops out in 4th gear. So in 4th gear we top out at 175.9 miles an hour, moving at 31.2 feet per second.
So now we're just going to swap the plugs for some colder ones. We're going to swap the fuel over to E85 and bigger injectors, and we're going to do some runs from there. Trick for the trade there, Sam.
A top tip for people.
Use your coil packs for winding them in.
And taking them out.
And taking them out, much easier than fiddling around. So it turns out we've got the wrong injector spacers for the injectors. So we've, in a true ghetto style, we've made some spacers out of some 10mm nuts. We've just cut down some longer bolts to hold the rail on. It'll be all good for now. If it works, it works. And then we'll make some proper spacers up and sort it out afterwards. At least we can carry on with the car. All cylinders. Lovely. Let's go for that corn power. So we're at 713 horsepower and 579 foot-pound of torque, and we've run out of injector. We had 1600 in cc injectors in there, and we are just swapping them out for some 2200s. Sam is just doing it there. Say hello, Sam.
Hello.
He's dead happy.
Dead.
So there's the graph. You can see where we started off earlier today on the 99 map, just with on gate pressure, and now we're at, like I say, 713 on E85, and we'll dial these injectors in, and we're basically run out of duty cycle, so we'll put it back into the safe zone and maybe go a bit more, depending how Sam's feeling. More it is. And got my favourite, got a little bit of nitrous in there to try, because nitrous, remember. Let's go. outro in my back garden because I forgot to do it at work. So there's my barbecue, and it's time for a beer. Well, that was it for Sam's golf. We couldn't do any more because we broke 3 lambda probes. We broke Sam's lambda probe, we broke my lambda probe on the dyno, and we also broke another one. We tried to fit to Sam's car so we could carry on. So we had to hold it there, but still had a good day, and we'll try again next week. Thanks everybody for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and also leave us a comment in the comments. I always try to answer them, and I'll see you later.